na, naka-purple dress.
Hello!
Ay, sus, ba't naka-smile? Oy, wait, kiss!
Diretso na daw tayo.
Ano mo ng group hug? Eh, gusto ko si Doc Rob eh. Para, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh. Ilang beses.
Sinundo ni Katrina Halili si Katie kasama si Chris Lawrence. Makikita si Katrina na masayang-masaya ito at halatang happy kapag kasama si Chris sa pagsundo ng kanilang nag-iisang anak nila. Kapag kasama kasi ang Papa Chris ni Katie ay masaya ito, lalong-lalo na kapag makikita niya na masaya na magkasama ang kanyang mga magulang, at minsan na din inamin ni Katie na gusto niya makita ang mama at papa niya na magkasama sa isang kwarto kahit isang beses lang daw umano. Kaya ganito na lang kasaya si Katrina kapag kasama nito si Chris dahil alam niya na masayang-masaya si Katie.
Ang ganda naman ng yellow, please yan na lang muna. Wala pa akong sinuot na violet dun eh. Ay! You farted? Ano ba yan?
My loves, good morning. Samahan niyo kami today.
Okay na yellow?
Gusto ko ito rin.
Pasting natin muna yung purple, okay?
Gusto ko.
Ayan, susunduin na namin si Katie. Oops, teka lang, mag-ano ka na dyan pala. Kakanan ka. Oh, ayan, di ba? Video pa more. Dito, kakanan ka dyan. Kakanan ka dyan, di ba? Ayan, video pa more. Mali-mali. Doon lang sa parang eskinita. Katie, tara! Ayan na, naka-purple dress.
Hello!
Ay, sus, ba't naka-smile? Oy, wait, kiss!
Diretso na daw tayo.
Ano, hindi ba?
Kaya. Oh, where are we going? Dito kami dito.
Diretso. Ata. Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. Sakit ba yung back mo? Ano yung sakit sa'yo?
Wala.
Ay, wala.
I think konti sa
back. Where?
Ay, gusto ko naman pa kayo ngayon.
You need to tell Doc, saan sakit? Konti. Ay, dito. Lower back.
Huwag dito kasi
Mama din eh. Sakit ng lower back mo, di ba? Can you tell Doc, sakit ng lower back mo, mama?
sakit ng lower back kagabi ni ma'am.
Pero ikaw masakit din.
Konti lang po.
Ay, Miss Katie.
Oh, you're back, huh? How are you? Nice.
Hello, Doc.
Hi.
Kaya ma'am.
May mahal siya pala.
So we do another kind of adjustment, huh?
Ano yung masakit sa'yo, Katie? Lower back?
Back is hurting.
Konti lang daw po.
Okay, let me go on this side.
Ano mo? Yan, nagkata. Yan, naman.
Okay, ready? First, we'll do a little bit here. Actually, we can do it a different way. Yeah. Let's just do the lower back first. Let's go this way. Face me on your side.
Face that.
There you go.
Oops, here. Dito. Ay, pumitikit.
First side. Maybe scoot down. You're a bit high.
Ay, Katie, parang. Gusto mo pa?
Yeah, Peggy.
Ano nangyari? Side lang ka ng side. Yan.
Yeah, this comes up. Good. That's great. There you go. Okay, right here. Let's breathe in. And exhale. Exhale.
Exhale.
Okay, keep that straight. This is kidding. Kidding.
Kaya mo yan.
This comes up. Good. Good. Okay, let's go the other way.
You have to breathe. I breathe earlier. Yeah.
Okay, this is straight. Good. Loser. Inhale, Katie. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Exhale. Good. Okay, our body weight. Inhale. Exhale.
Matanta ba ko?
Exhale.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Shorter and then a little more.
Thank you so much, Doc. Can you hug me?
Group hug.
Group hug? Doc, bakit si Doc lang? Salin. Yan. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sarap.
Look at your mom when she's aside like that, huh? Breathe. Exhale. Good. Okay, let's go face up.
Okay.
Good. Okay, this is your back. Good. Good.
Okay.
Don't be tense, baby.
Tama yan.
Okay. That's all I'll do.
Masasakit yung lower back.
Okay, lower back here, huh? Baby. Let's breathe. And exhale. Good. There's one. Now we'll do here. Let's go towards me. On your side. Okay, up. Focus here on the elbow. Great. Right here. Let's breathe. And exhale. Okay.
Mr. B.
Let's go. You just arrived? I just arrived, yeah. Last night? I got back, a little stiff. A little bit. Okay. Let's just do this one. Okay, good. There's still one more here. Okay, let's relax the shoulders. There. That's better. There we go. Okay, you're ready. Good job.
Ang ganda naman ng dress. Hindi kayo na-picturean. Katie, diretso na tayo kay Doc Rob.
Diretso na?
Upo.
Yes.
Kala ko 1 p.m. pa.
Sir, that's the first we started the night. Because you went face up. Oh.
Kaya, ikaw yung nag-start mag-isa.
So that's... Just go, I'll just take what you can get. Okay?
Ikaw naman pala.
Yeah, your head is really off.
Lower back.
So let's go this way.
Aging.
Well, airplanes and different beds and all the work, all the stress, it accumulates. Good, relax. Oh, got it. Let's go the other. Okay. There. Okay. Good. Face up, face up. Face up, yeah. Just like that. So now much better. Yeah, earlier it's like shorter. Oh yeah? Yeah.
Short.
Hip is off, so the hips rotate, create a short. Not that you're short.
Short legs.
Leg was a little short. Yeah.
Short legs, yes.
Okay, almost done. You're all set.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
Lower.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Katie, ba't ayaw mo kami? Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang?
I'll hug you.
Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang? Ayaw mo ng group hug?
Eh, gusto ko si Doc Rob eh. Para, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh.
Ilang beses ka na nagpa-hire?
Nagpaka.
Ay, pinakount ko.